Hello friends, myself Soumya DS, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur. So, I am here with discussing the syllabus on real analysis for Tumkur University 3rd Sem BSc students. So, this video contains the definition of a set, types of sets, definition of relation, types of relation, definition of functions and types of functions. You are already familiar with basic definitions of sets, relations and functions. The basic concepts, background and fundamental definitions on sets, relations and functions with suitable illustrative examples will be explained in this session before stepping into the chapter, which will fill up the bridge gap and connect the students to follow the ongoing session. Before going to the definition of a set, we shall see what is a binary operation of a set. The binary operation of a set as the definition for let S be a non-empty set, then the mapping F from S cross S to S is known as the binary operation on S. Hence, given an ordered pair which is taken from the set S cross S, which implies f of x comma y belongs to the set S. Then the definition of a set. The set is a collection of well-defined objects. The sets are denoted by the capital letters A, comma B, comma C, etc. So, the examples for the sets are the set of natural numbers, which is denoted by the capital letter N, and it is equal to the elements of the set are written in the flower brackets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. is the set of all natural numbers, and the set of vowels in English, which is denoted by the letter capital letter A, which is A, comma E, comma I, comma O, comma U. So there are two types of sets. Among the two types, first one we have the roster or tabular method. The method of representing a set by writing all its elements is called roster or tabular method. Example, let A denote the set of all positive divisors of 12. So the set we write it as set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These 6 numbers are the positive divisors of 12, which makes the set A. And the second method is rule or set builder method. In this method, a rule or the formula or the statement is written within a pair of brackets. Example, let P is a set of counting numbers greater than 12. That is, the set P equal to set of all elements x such that x is a counting number greater than 12. Definition of a subset. A set A is said to be a subset of a set P if every element of A is an element of B. Example, set of integers is a subset of set of real numbers. Set of real numbers is a subset of set of complex numbers. Union of set. Let A and B are two sets, then the union of set can be defined as the set of all element x such that x belongs to A, the set A, or x belongs to the set B. And intersection of set for the two sets A and B. The intersection of two sets A and B is defined as the set of all elements x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. So in the union, the element must be in either of the set, either in A or B, and in the intersection of two sets, the elements must be contained in both the sets A and B. So for this section, I have referred the textbooks Real Analysis by N.T. Bali, Principles of Mathematical Analysis by Walter Rudin, Mathematical Analysis by S. C. Malik, Elements of Real Analysis by S. Narayan and M. D. Raiswami. Thank you.